Hey guys, it's me Rahul back with another quick tutorial. Today in this video, I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram without displaying it on your story and bothering all your followers. This is a tedious trick, but as far as I know, this is the only way to do it. Trust me, I have tried every other way possible, but none of them works except this trick. So what we do here is we upload the story, but we hide it from all your followers. Then we put it on the highlights, wait for 24 hours for the story to expire, and then we unhide the highlights from everyone. It is a bit of a workaround and there are no other ways to do it until Instagram actually allows users to upload directly to highlights. So let's show you how it's done. First thing you want to do is open Instagram and go to your profile, then tap here for the hamburger menu, then go to settings, privacy, story. Here on this hide story from section, tap here and select all your followers. It would be a tedious task, but unfortunately there is no other way. After you have selected all your followers, go back again, open story settings again and make sure that the hide story from section has been updated. Then you could make your account to private. If you don't, the people who don't follow you can still see the story. It's up to you whether you want to make your account private for one day or not. Then it's time to upload the story like normal. After you upload, add them into your highlights. Then wait for the story to expire. Wait for 24 hours. Then go to your hide story from settings and uncheck all your followers and make your profile public if you have made it private. Just reset the settings the way it was before. But only do this after the story expires. Otherwise, your followers will be able to see the story. Once it expires after 24 hours, your story will be archived and will only be visible on your highlights. So that's the trick that you can use to upload highlights without adding to Instagram story. That's the only trick that works. So that's been it. Hope you guys found this video helpful and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Goodbye.